Okay, hey y'all. Okay, we walk up the road to the protest, and it looked like what? I don't even know what the signs say. But yeah, we down here. We down here. Huh? Oh, look, all the police them here on a bike going on and stuff like that. Wave everybody. Road block off. So we're going to join this protest, but we're going to see what it's more about first before me and my mom go in. Okay, here it is. They're coming. I still can't even read it. Oh, total abolition for total liberation. Total abolition for dignidad no decisión. Okay, seems like something for the immigrants. I'm not sure. Just a normal day in DC. I'm gonna watch them walk down here some more. I don't know what they say. Okay, they say abolish police. You can't abolish police. Yeah, we can't do that. We still need some type of organization in the world. People might go rogue. Yeah. So this is what's going on right now. That noise is a train passing. So you're not gonna hear what they're saying right now. They're talking about the police them and the police them down there. You see the police them? Yeah. Okay, I'm on a corner on 12th Street. So these protesters out here have something like they have their period. Not sure. As you can see that one right there, she has like her period thing. Families belong together, help. Yeah, it looks like the immigrants. Yeah, protesting. Oh, immigrant. Okay, I'm about to call him. Police block off road up there. Okay, they say people over profit. I need to ask one of these organizers exactly what is it. And I know it has something to do with immigration. And that's what I'm getting from it. And that's anyways, let me go and see if I can
Quit your job. You're wasting my tax dollars. You're wasting my immigrant tax dollars. Quit your job. Quit your job.
You heard him?
Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back.
So they're telling the police officers to move back, and they was telling them to quit their jobs. So that's why there's police on that other side. So they're going down now. They're marching forward. This is for ISIS immigration. So the police offers them. Wait. I didn't realize it was telling the police officers move back and quit their jobs. Yep. Saturday, downtown DC.